Automatic tent. One of the important and necessary inventions for camping is the tent, which is used as a small house that can be folded, transported, and installed easily and in a place that suits you. And its benefits include sleeping inside it and providing protection from the sun and rain, as well as protecting you from insects. The tent is one of the basic equipment for good camping, and there are different types and shapes of tents. The tent is also easy to carry and transport, and after its installation, it gives you a good space and varies according to the tent that you purchased, starting from 2 people or more. Camping bag. The second important and necessary invention in order to facilitate camping is the camping bag, which is a compressive purpose as it carries everything in one bag. Where the camping bag is distinguished from the rest of the regular bags, as it is of excellent quality and difficult to be damaged, as well as waterproof and resistant to corrosion due to sunlight. There are many types of camping bags, where you can carry everything you want in the bag of equipment, clothes and tools that will suffice you, and don't forget that you are not camping with only one bag in case you have friends on the camping trip, and this would make it better. Camping lighter. It is a necessary invention in order to light a fire in a special way for heating and preparing food. Fire is a necessary element in camping for the heating and food industry, and there are many advanced inventions in lighting a fire easily today. It is necessary to be careful and take precautions to put out the fire during the completion of it, so as not to cause fire, and in order to preserve nature, as some inventions have pros and cons if we do not use them properly. Sleeping bag. Sleeping bags are a useful and necessary inventory in your camping trip in order to sleep comfortably, keep warm, and ensure that you do not get wet. Sleeping bags are one of the most useful inventions to get, and they give you an enjoyable and comfortable sleep in the middle of a forest, desert, or on the seashore, and to wake up with all the activity and vitality to carry out the tasks of a new day with every activity. Sleeping bags are better than the rest, and in my experience, the other sleeping methods such as inflatable bedding does not maintain your body heat. Unlike a sleeping bag, the small space is easy to heat up faster and better and maintain that heat while you are inside it. Portable lamp. The portable lamp is one of the useful inventions in camping in order to illuminate the place, as well as have a clear view of certain areas that are dark and can be explored by turning on the light only. The portable lamp with a battery that lasts for a long time is an excellent invention for when there are no lights or lighting. We recommend LED lamps as they are economical and provide strong light at a good range. Waterproof clothing. Repellent clothing is one of the best clothes for being water repellent and water camping. It is also warm and does not get dirty quickly, and it is easy to clean. There are many different types of waterproof clothing that you can choose from, and you can get them to suit you and your camping needs. Water-resistant shoes always protects you throughout a camping period. Lightweight foldable chairs. This invention is important for sitting and enjoying nature while camping and exchanging talk with friends and making for a more comfortable and enjoyable trip. There are different types and shapes of chairs along with tables that are foldable, that are lightweight and do not take up much space, but choose the ones with the best durability. Yes, it is possible to sit on the floor, but I prefer to sit on the chairs. It's more comfortable and it's better for your body. Food storage boxes. It is one of the important tools to keep food fresh for a longer time on a camping trip. They keep your food really fresh, and some of the containers come with a long list of features. There are those that contain cooling or heating devices, along with charging batteries that power fast by solar energy. Yeah, sure, you can take the alternative canned foods along on a camping trip, but having fresh food in a good sturdy container is always a lot fresher and a lot better. Water purifiers. Water purifiers have appeared with the development of science, and their mission is to filter and purify water in order to make it purified and able to be drunk. There are some primitive water filtration devices out there, and there are some advanced ones as well that make life a lot easier by being automatic. These devices are great for purifying water when you've run out, whenever there's a river, a creek, or even the sea. Purpose axe and shovel multi. This is one of those tools that makes camping easier, from cutting wood to digging and fixing up your tent. This multi-purpose invention also carries several tools, including wrenches and screwdrivers and a knife, and it doesn't take up much space. You'll definitely find this multi makes your next camping trip a lot smoother. Camping truck. It's very important to make sure that the things that you take camping can be moved easily. When towing a caravan or even using a large truck, there are many benefits, including the comforts of a bathroom or a sofa just to sit on. But what is the use of camping if you don't walk? Discovering new areas while hiking is always exhilarating. But coming home each night to a truck or caravan to stay in, you'll wake up the next morning fully revitalised, and your experience will be amazing. Electric generator, solar and gasoline. This invention works to supply energy or electricity for your lighting and charging your devices. If you're going camping for an extended period, this sophisticated device is intended to provide us with energy consistently while camping. It is carried by a member into the camp and is easy to use and provides a lot of electricity, and it's economical. It is a friend of nature. It also has a device that filters the release of any gases so it doesn't damage the natural environment and keeps the air fresh. Camera. It is one of the useful tools for documenting beautiful moments and scenes and taking a souvenir of a trip with your friends. And who amongst us does not have a phone, as the latest phones have sophisticated cameras to give you that memory of those experiences and events that you've been through. These pictures are great for showing your friends so they can see the beauty of camping and so that you remember just how wonderful a time it was.